Thanks for coming to another unboxing. Today we're installing a magnetic screen mesh for the sunroof, specifically for traveling, camping, or car camping, etc. So let's go ahead and set this up. I'm about to open it for the first time and let's check it out.
They don't have to say it, I already know. I've played in fire times before. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm aware of the danger you bring to me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And if the fall down is painful, I'm me to blame. But there's something about you, there's something keep pulling me to you. There's something no good, but I want you. There's something about you.
Here we have the mesh netting installed, completely open. The netting's covering the whole sunroof. It's only 2 straps. It has a buckle system that stretches. See if it'll focus. There it is. Stretches. So I ran one strap through the front seat, the other through the back. Let's take a quick look from the outside. There's the straps. There's the sunroof opening. Fully covered. Easy install, took less than 3 minutes. I'd recommend it.